U.S. Small Business Administration, or SBA, is dedicated to helping entrepreneurs and small business owners start, grow, and succeed in their business ventures. In fact, some of the most recognizable brands started small. For people throughout the United States, Puerto Rico, the U.S. Virgin Islands, and Guam, SBA is here to help at any stage of your business. From writing a business plan to providing resources to export your products overseas. Headquartered in Washington, D.C., SBA has district offices across the country. These offices help entrepreneurs with the 3 C's: contracting, counseling, and capital. Government contracting can be a critical tool for growing your small business. The government has many categories of contract opportunities set aside exclusively for small businesses. These help level the playing field for women, veterans, and the socially and economically disadvantaged. SBA also offers participation in matchmaking events in the Mentor Protege program to help small businesses compete more successfully for federal government contracts. Through our district offices and extensive network of resource partners, SBA offers hands-on training, mentoring, and expert advice tailored to your needs. Our online learning center is also available around the clock, so you can explore and take training courses at your convenience. Many entrepreneurs need financial resources to start or expand a small business, and they must combine what they have with other sources of financing. While the SBA doesn't loan money directly to small business owners, we can help facilitate a loan with a third-party lender such as a bank or credit union by guaranteeing that a certain portion of the loan will be repaid. SBA guaranteed loans can be used for various business needs, including replenishing seasonal inventory, building expansion or renovation, purchasing equipment, and working capital. Ready to start or grow your small business? Visit SBA.gov to learn more about how we can help.
How long have you been sitting behind that same desk dreaming of your own business? You believe in your ideas, but is it achievable? Can you really make it happen? Where do you start? Maybe you need a mentor, someone with experience that could give you sound advice. But business advisors, they're expensive. Did you know that you could get expert, sage advice from professionals for free? With SCORE, you're not alone. You have access to an entire team of professionals with expertise in marketing, sales, finance, and more. SCORE has one goal in mind: to turn your business dream into a reality. SCORE will put your idea to the test, examining it from many angles, verifying the numbers, and helping you choose the best way to make it happen. And we don't just send you on your way. We're with you all the way. As a new entrepreneur, you'll have many questions. How do you write a business plan? How can you get funding? What type of company do you want to create? SCORE will be at your side, giving you sage advice and all the support you need to get your new business venture to take flight. But you're not on your own just yet. After your business is up and running and the sales are starting to pick up, you'll want to know how to expand your company. SCORE is still with you. SCORE will teach you how to use online marketing and social media to grow your business. SCORE's team of mentors guides you every step of the way and will be your sounding board to help you make the best business decisions. Anytime you need us. Anywhere. Well, almost anywhere. SCORE. Sage advice for dreamers, entrepreneurs, and small business owners. We're dreaming of your success.
Slack is where work happens. It's a new layer of technology that brings together people, applications, and data, and it's replacing email around the world. The easiest way to understand it is that Slack replaces email inside your company. It's enormously important, but inside of a company, it works so poorly. Imagine a 10,000 person company. On average, each person sends 30 emails a day. That's 300,000 emails every day. But consider things from one individual's perspective. Today, she got 23 emails. That's not even 1/100% of all the communication that happened inside the company. Maybe someone else gets 57 emails. That's still minuscule as a percentage of all the messages that may be relevant to that person. But the rest is completely locked away and only accessible if another human being manually sends it to them. And even that is one message at a time. You have these enormous flows of critical information coursing through the organization. But each person only has this tiny view. Their inboxes are partial and fragmented and radically incomplete. And every single view, the primary window people have to what's going on across the company, every single view is unique. This is nuts. And I guarantee you we will look back at this moment in history shaking our heads and wondering how we ever dealt with it. So what's the alternative? Well, first, let's turn the email into messages. And now, rather than inboxes, we're going to organize those messages into channels. Those channels can correspond to anything. Projects, teams, planning sprints, office locations, business units, literally anything that is happening across the company. Moving the conversations to channels created a huge increase in the return on the communication. The whole team is in the channel, and anytime anyone on the team has an update or a question or a document to share, they just put it into the channel. They type it up once and hit send once, and everyone who needs to know now or in the future is in the loop. So that's why you switch. It makes communication better, collaboration easier, and agility something you can more readily achieve. From inboxes to channels. It's a movement from an individual-first approach to communication to one that puts the team or the organization first. It's so simple, but we believe that the advantages are so great that this shift is inevitable. We believe that every organization will switch to Slack or something like it.
Everyone's on social media these days, taking photos of their food, following the latest influencers. But as a business, social can feel like a party you're not invited to. Some brands are out there sharing cool stuff, meeting new customers, and growing their business. So why not yours? With Hootsuite, you can join the party with one easy-to-use platform that grows with you and your popularity. Schedule content in advance and see what's working across the social networks your customers use. You can also use Hootsuite with the tools you know and love, like Google Drive, MailChimp, and Dropbox. Find new customers by joining in with conversations about your brand and automatically boosting your most popular posts to a wider audience. Easily create and publish stuff people will love by tracking trends and creating amazing content from a variety of sources and stock images. Then, see the results of your social activity in one easy-to-understand report based on the numbers that matter to you. Hootsuite also helps you keep up with social with access to free courses and articles that cover the latest trends, strategies, and tactics. Join the party.
Google Docs lets you create, share, and collaborate on documents online. Instead of creating a document, sending it as an attachment, receiving multiple revisions, and then having to merge edits, with Google Docs, everyone works on the same version in real time. And Google Docs just got better with rebuilt editors for documents, spreadsheets, and drawings, designed to improve collaboration, increase speed, and create richer documents. Google Documents have much better import fidelity, making it easier to move your documents into the cloud. We've also added tab stops, a ruler to control margins in a document, and improved how images interact within documents. The comment system makes it easy to add, reply, and move comments around in a document. And collaboration now happens in real time. You can see what others are typing with no need to refresh the page or wait, reducing confusion and saving you time. We've also made some big improvements to Google Spreadsheets. Now you can edit a cell from the formula bar, use autofill, drag and drop columns, and navigate easily between sheets. Significant speed and performance improvements make spreadsheets load faster and scrolling seamless. And as always, real-time collaboration, chat, and cell presence work for many people at once. We've also added a standalone editor for drawings to Google Docs. It's easy to make charts, diagrams, and other schematics. As with Google Docs and spreadsheets, you can also chat while you collaborate on drawings. We hope these improvements to Google Docs help you and your teams be more productive. To try them out or to learn more, visit docs.google.com.